Hey, what's up YouTube friends? Welcome back again to our channel. I am Mitch from Mom and Kids Style, and today I'm going to do another video of unboxing and review of a new baby essential. Yes, and before we get started, I just wanted to share with you all that later on after this video, I'll be giving a 30% off discount of this amazing product. I invite you all first, guys, to please subscribe to our channel. Click the button down below. See some more videos later on in the future and some more giveaways coming in. And to those of you all already subscribed, thank you all so much. I am so happy to see you all, guys. So let's go proceed. This product that I'm talking about is from the BEBAMOUR company. This is BEBAMOUR, a new designer sling baby carrier. So we will see how comfortable it is to the baby and of course to the person who's carrying it. So this is the product that I received from the BEBAMOUR company. I'm going to unbox it, guys, for you. And so here is the BEBAMOUR design for baby and mommy. So yes, we'll go see and check on this. And thank you so much for this. This is the color black. And let's see. And if I'm not mistaken, they have the two removable bibs. So here there is a manual. I don't know if you all can see, but yes, they have it here. How cool is that? Right? So when it comes to fabric, they're number one on the quality. It says here, no matter in the fabric, sewing, design, and ergonomic or other standard, it is speaking about selfless life and big never-end engineer. It's 100% polyester, the lining, and also for the age, like what I've said, from 0 to 36 months. And maximum capacity is 19.9 kilogram. So that's the maximum. Okay, and yes, let's go proceed. It's really lightweight. First thing is we'll go check out here. As you all can see here, it's very soft, right? So right here there's a two button that I see, but you're going to open this up. And when you hear the click, I guess this is safety that he can sit there. So there's a lot of compartments here. There's a one over here, plenty of space that you can put some bottles. And yes, over here, there's another one over on the side. So yes, I'm excited to try this one. So this one, in my opinion, it's kind of like lightweight and not that bulky. But yes, this is the one that we got. And there is, I guess, a bag that goes with it. And these two, so they sent me two. So I don't know if this is the same product, but we'll go see. I'm not gonna know until we see. So here it is. Let's go open this up. Thank you so much for this. So I'm happy to share with you all, guys, that I'm going to share this one to one of my lucky subscribers. So I decided I'm going to do a giveaway since I got two. They sent me two products. So the other one, I'm going to use it as a giveaway for the mommies out there. All you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. Let's go ahead and proceed right here. I'm going to try this with my baby. It's easy, wow. So now we're going to get the baby. Sit here. Wow, so easy. Oh my goodness. This is really comfortable. As in, like, you can feel the difference. How can you, what can you say, baby? You like it? You like it? Okay. Oh, thank you so much, BEBAMOUR. This guy is already 13 months and he weighs like almost 30 pounds. Now that you all see how easy to snap it in, to put your baby in here within a second, so now I'm going to show you all how to take it out. So from here, you're going to snap it out right here. Of course, hold your baby and then grab your baby right here, and then just like that. It's easy. So you see here, there's a 2 button. So you're just going to push this and it will fold just like that. I hope you like this video, guys, and for our next video we're going to do a giveaway for this product. This is a color gray. It can suit for girl or boy. So yes, who's gonna be the lucky winner for this one? So yes, guys, I hope you find this video interesting, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And to those of you all wanted to try this product, we'll put the link down below. You can order it in the Amazon, and don't forget to subscribe and get the coupons for the 30% off. And we'll see you all, guys, back again to our next video. Bye bye.